The word means a lot to me. I came here, I grew up in St. Clair Shores, so just pretty close to here. I came here on scholarship. I was initially pre-med, and then thanks to all the terrific professors in the chem department, I switched my major to chem. I've worked in an organic synthesis lab, Dr. Patrick Grohar, for 3 years, and then I took a graduate level biochemistry course with Dr. Gopal, and then left organic chemistry and moved into biochem. Kind of haven't looked back, so you're going to get a lot more biochemistry and structural biology today. And just want to let you know, it's a real special place here. The amount of research, I think it's fantastic. You get to do so many interesting things, learn a lot. It helped get me into any of the grad schools I applied to. And so to be able to come back and share some of my research in a little bit, it means a lot. This award means a lot. Thanks very much.
I want to thank Wayne State for the education that I got, because look, it allowed me to do the things that I never ever thought I could predict. I've worked in multiple industries, I've worked for multiple people. I've worked for a governor, 2 mayors, a former admiral, and a former brigadier general. And you know what? And it was all interesting. And what allowed me to do that is the ability to have a very strong scientific background, the opportunity to solve problems, the way to gauge risk, and most of all, to take the chance when it comes, because you never know how well you will do or whether you can actually blaze a new trail. I've done multiple projects across the world and always felt confident that I would succeed. And even if I didn't, that I was willing to take the chance and allow myself to learn something new. So I encourage all of you, go for it. There is no such thing as a real loss. Thanks again to Wayne State.
Opportunity to thank the faculty for recognizing me for this award. Next to being recognized by students, being recognized by the people who trained you is the highest compliment you can receive as an academic. I'd also like to specifically thank Christine Chow. She taught me how to think, and she really taught me to think and use the scientific method to solve problems, and I've carried that with me all the way through my training to being a pediatric oncologist. Additionally, I'd like to recognize Dr. Norman LaBelle. Many of you may remember Dr. LaBelle. He was really pivotal to my career very early on and took an interest in me when I was a young graduate student, and that really helped me through graduate school. I'd like to also thank my family. As all the students know, graduate school is hard, and so having the support of my parents, my 2 sisters, one of whom is here, was really pivotal. And so, lastly, I do want to say a couple things to the students. First off, that the training that you receive in this division, in this department, is second to none at any university, and I've been at several of the major universities, and so I want you as students to recognize the opportunity that you have here and take advantage of it and use it to make an impact, because really the best thing you can do with what you receive here is to serve others.